Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. Gonna do a video today on a requested, experiment with clear coat. Had a comment on our clear coat video where someone asked, what would you get if you mixed 50-50 high gloss and matte clear? Would it give you kind of a satin finish? I didn't have an answer because I've never done anything like that, so I figured, you know what, let's do a quick test and do a video on it and see how it turns out. So what I've done to prep for it is I took 3 of our little aluminum tint flashing pieces that we do a lot of our testing on. Went ahead and sprayed them with graphite black and completely cured it 300 degrees for an hour, and then taped off half of it. So at the end of the video, when we show the pictures of them, you'll be able to see high gloss with no gloss, matte with no gloss, and then the mixture with no gloss. And then we'll also be able to kind of line them all up and show you the 3 different versions. So I'll do some editing on that so you know which ones are which, and as always we'll have pictures at the end of the video. That's about all the talking. You have to wear a respirator when you spray the clear coat. It's pretty harsh. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that on, get some gloves on, and we'll spray these down and see what they look like. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.